Press the pneumatic fittings gently and remove the Teflon tube. Unscrew to screws and remove the top cover. Unscrew for screws and remove the base. Before replacing the position sensor, check whether the trigger paddle is inside the bayonet of the photoelectric detection module. Figure 1. The camshaft trigger paddle is not inside the bayonet of the photoelectric detection module. Figure 2. The camshaft trigger paddle is inside the bayonet of the photoelectric detection module. Remove the motor before shifting the trigger paddle. Rotate the camshaft with a tool to move the trigger paddle out of the bayonet of the photoelectric detection module. If the motor holes do not align during motor installation, slightly turn the camshaft to adjust the holes and watch the position of the trigger paddle. Install the motor and tighten to screws. Disconnect all wiring. Unscrew to screws and remove the light board assembly. Take off for springs. Unscrew to screws and remove the loading and unloading side bracket assembly. Unscrew one screw and remove the extrusion gear assembly. Take off one gear. Take out the feeder assembly. Disconnect the wiring and take out the pin. Insert the pin into the new feeder. Insert the filament runout detection cable. Fit the feeder assembly in place. Refit the extrusion gear assembly. Refit the loading and unloading side bracket assembly. Tighten to fixing screws. Fit the gear and tighten one screw. Place for springs in position. Fit the light board assembly to compress the springs, then tighten to fixing screws. Reconnect the wiring. Install the base and tighten for screws. Install the top cover and tighten to screws. Insert the Teflon tube.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.